happy enough to stop weeping, Mr. Weeping Willow? What is going on? What could have possibly scared those... Wait a second. Why are you screaming?
'Cause you scared me.
But you scared me first.
I didn't mean to. Why does everyone run away when they see me? Why doesn't anyone want to be my friend?
I'll be your friend.
You will? Oh, thank you. No problem. Less squeezing, please. Sorry. I get carried away sometimes. My name is Trolly.
Leila. You know, we should go to the clubhouse. Maybe you just need a teeny tiny makeover for people to be less scared.
Get a load of this, boss! The Mecha-Sneevil!
Okay, let's give it a whirl. Right, now what?
Okay, let's try moving the left arm.
Ah, your other left, pigs. Try it again. It's going to be a long day.
Why's Leila got us here?
She's introducing us to someone new.
Thanks for coming, everyone. I have a new friend to introduce. I want you all to meet Trolly Troll. Oh, come on. There's nothing to be scared of.
Yeah, I guess not, but she's just so, well, big.
Uh-huh.
She's
really big.
So, all of us have our own little differences, right?
Yeah, so.
You're right.
Looks can be deceiving, and I bet Trolly fits in despite how big she is. If you just give her a chance.
Give me a beat.
Follow!
You did fine.
Yeah,
you did.
You did great.
I'm too big to fit in. I'm too big for everything.
I haven't had this much fun since I clogged up all the sewers in Smightyland and made the toilets explode!
Looks like a Mecha-Sneevil. Super 6, time to party up!
What are we going to do?
That thing's too big for us.
You know, I think I've got a really big idea. Oh, Trolly! Trolly!
Leave me alone. I'm too busy being big.
Oh, Trolly, you're the only one that thinks that's a problem. In fact, bigness big time.
You need my big?
Bigger than big.
Smash to the left, smash to the right. Stand up, shake your thirsty light.
We're gonna need a big miracle to get out of this.
Did someone say big?
I can do big. Now, what was that last game we were playing?
Soccer!
Right, left, no, your other left, Biggs.
You did it, Trolly!
That's the first time my bigness felt just right. I guess we're all different sizes and shapes for a reason.
This calls for a party.
Party at the bridge!
Small and mighty heroes, together we can make it through it all. Whoa, yeah. Small and mighty heroes, celebrate adventure in our world. We will work as a team.
Pizza night. Pizza night.
The one night of the week that Nardy showers us with pizza, and we eat until we're so stuffed we have to be rolled home. I hear he's been working overtime on a super special secret recipe. Who cares? I just want to eat.
Your demand is my wish.
It pops? A popping pizza?
Not popping, self-propagating. By combining sides with cooking, no piece has less pineapple than any other because the pizza grows the pineapple on it.
Ah! Oh, yeah! Oh, good. Nardy? Maybe a little less pineapple and a little more pizza?
I think I miscalculated.
More for me! Come on! Let's get this out of here before we're crushed! Phew! Danger averted.
Gone? Oh, Smighty. Did it disintegrate under the weight of the runaway pineapple?
You know I prefer lasagna, Biggs.
Not to eat. I can turn this into the contraption to end all contraptions.
It's just you and me, Mr. Quackles.
Boss, I give you my latest creation, the Pineapple Lady! This baby will launch the pizza into the sky, where it will seed the clouds with pineapple, thus creating a huge storm! A pineapple cane!
Where do I press?
Right here, boss!
All this button pushing has made me hungry. Call me if anything evil happens.
Wake up, little ones. Morning's here. Pineapple?
is no natural phenomenon. This is a Sneevil-manon.
Huh? Wait, what?
Thank you, Biggs. I do believe your pineapple cane just might wipe out Smighty Castle and Smightyland once and for all.
Sneevil must have gotten his hands on my mutant pizza and shot it into the clouds, making the storm.
So how do we stop it?
If I can be launched into the clouds with enough anchovies, that might counter the pineapple and the whole thing will collapse under the weight of the toppings.
So, capture machine, find anchovies, shoot you into sky. Super 6, ready to Smighty? Then let's do it to it!
Hey, it's the Dudester! Hola, dude! How are you doing?
Wait, stop! I'm tickly, sir!
What? Hey, get me out of here! I don't bend well!
Remember, stop the storm before Smightyland is buried in pineapple forever!
No problem.
Think it'll work?
I give it a 40-60 shot.
What do you know? It worked. But I never figured out what I'd do now. I guess I just...
Hey, it worked! But Nardy seems to be coming down kind of fast. And he's screaming. We maybe want to do something.
Okay. Eat or fail!
Last one back to the clubhouse is a rotten Smighty.
Biggs! I told you I like lasagna, not pizza!
Taco night! Taco night! Taco night!
Did someone say tacos? By combining science with cooking, I've created infinitely flowing guacamole! Oh. What? You guys don't like guacamole?
Let's go, Smighties! Come along with us. Everyone needs a hero they can count on. With a little love and the best of friends. Zip and zap, Nardy, Melody, Leila, and Dude. No dream is too big for me and you. No matter how hard, they will see it through. Small and mighty heroes. Together we can make it through it all. Whoa, whoa. Small and mighty heroes. Celebrate adventure in our world. We will work as a team. They scream, let's go, Smighties! When the mountain feels too high and you just wanna stop, you got friends to help you up and make it to the top. Put your trust in them. They will see it through. When trouble comes along,